Good morning, y'all. So I'm trying my best. That's the Impala right here, 2012.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
I gotta change a oil cooler, right? A transmission oil cooler, and the original one for this car is like $150. So I bought an aftermarket one, Autozone, $40, right? And it's pretty much an easy install. The lines are aluminum, so what I did was I basically took the line cutter, I cut each side, which you're gonna see in a second. And all you pretty much got to do now is cut the hose to the proper size, connect one end to the other to the new one, and I'm gonna attach the new oil cooler right in front of the old oil cooler, so I can leave the original one. If they ever have a problem with it, anybody ever has a problem with it in the future, I have a problem with it in the future. We'll just remove the whole setup and put the original one right back in. You know, the clips are still gonna be there, everything's gonna be there. So that's the setup. My phone is dying. It's early in the morning and I didn't even charge it last night, but I'm gonna try to show you everything as much as I can. So we have the Impala, and I want to show you the cooler. So this is the transmission cooler right here, and when it got hit right here in the bottom, it pushed up the line, and then the cooler on the bottom is bent. So boom, Torqflo, you know, all the transmission and power steering coolers, right? This is how it is. This is what you get. This is the hose you gotta cut, and voila. I give you the connections, everything you might need, but for this job it's pretty simple. All I'm doing is connecting the hose, right, hose into one, cutting it to the length, and I can't really see the lines right there. I know you can see the cut ones right there. You see the cut. The other one is on the side. All I'm doing is connecting the other side of the hose to that line on each one, connecting both. And then what I'm gonna do is clip that onto this itself.
Oh, you're gonna put it new?
Yeah, I told you.
What happened to this one?
Oh man,
Leak.
you don't remember?
Yeah, it leak over here.
On the bottom one is cracked.
Oh.
But it's easy, right in front. Put it right in front. Leave that one like that. Done. Because that one got the welds from the factory. The whole bracket, so I'm gonna leave it there.
You can take it out.
No, I don't want to. I'm gonna leave it.
Well, leave it there.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Because if I ever have a problem in the future, I still got the clips, the line, everything there.
Yeah.
I put the new one, the original one, and that's it. But that's it.
That's it.
Yep, simple.
You're the best. You're the best.
Grandfather right there. So this is what we're doing, man. We're putting this in. Check it out. So cover these little clips, right? Put it on one side of the radiator and then you pop it through. And I'm not gonna do that now because then I'm gonna fuck around and get it stuck. So, let's see. So it goes through. It should go through. That shit feels dangerous, but I guess it's only 4 bends. That's what it is. Bend it 4 times. But, yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna put it in through one, and hopefully not have any issues. Yeah, so. Alright, so right now I figured out the best way to do it. Instead of going sideways, go face down. definitely don't need this much hose for sure. There's no way. Alright, so I'm gonna fast forward this shit, but pretty much gotta put these two in all the way. We'll hang it down, and then we're just gonna connect the two lines. We'll go right in, right out. Nice and cool. So that's it, man. It's a pretty simple job.
My last appointment up in there, I didn't believe what the fuck was going on. I'm looking at the fucking note that the ones you can call yourself when you walk in and take the, say you have an appointment and call you to have a seat.
Yeah.
I'm going, yo, I know it ain't your responsibility. I don't think, maybe it is your responsibility.
All right, real quick. So we're done. It may look a little weird at the moment, but these are the old lines that I was telling you about that I snipped. What we're doing is we're just connecting the two, all right, making sure that it doesn't leak out. And that's our first goal. After that, we could tie this up and make it look nice. All right. So tomorrow, see you tomorrow.
Look at my dog, how he knows that's his truck.
All right. So I'll get it, then come up with that. I'll definitely drop some oil, y'all. All right, we're gonna turn it on. Looking real good, y'all. See what I mean? No leaks. One or two. Means it's going in. Coming back out. Check the fluid, make sure it's on level. But that's the point. Now we just do this. Zip tie it up. Zip tie it on. Job done. Still low, but it's cool. We got more transmission fluid. It's still low, but no leak is the most important thing. We're gonna keep this box underneath to make sure no leak stuff. Alright. Put these out real quick. And this job is done, y'all. Easy replacement. The Torqflo transmission cooler replacement, aftermarket. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.